Good morning. This is our 2023 255 Grady-White Freedom. Boat is white, 250 Yamahas. This is a Helmmaster boat. Painted hardtop. Take a look around the outside. We'll climb up inside and go through the boat. Boat's in very good condition. He's used one season. Three-sided enclosure. Does have the Garmin Fathom radar. Full Garmin electronics. We'll climb up inside and we'll take a look. Thank you. As we come in the boat, has a walk-through door in the back. Freshwater washdown. Has the aft seat, which flips up. Live well. There are your twin 200s with Helmmaster. Boat does have shore power. Has the helm seat. Storage, there's a sink in there. This is the helm. It does come out, extends out all the way. There's your companion seat, so someone can sit up next to the person driving the boat. There's your helm seat with the bolster. Here's how we did the electronics. I'll send you other pictures. Big Garmin, Yamaha display, Garmin radio. There's your joystick, your Fusion remote. We remoted the microphone on the VHF, so it's down there. Your trim tabs. This seat is electric, it goes back and forth. Up forward, tonneau cover. Seating underneath. Everything's in good condition. Storage under here. Have the marine head. High plates to put rod storage forward. Hard top with the speakers in it. Enclosure. Get dizzy doing this. Your bolster seat. Gives you a quick walk through the boat. Thank you.